So one of my commenters corrected me on what I said about the laws to take property, and that's like there's no other word than stupid for it. So, because like what foreign investor would invest in a place where whatever your investment is can just be taken, you know. But someone once said, and I talk again under correction, and I think it was an American general. I think so. I'm talking under correction. Here by the Second World War somewhere, said that the only way we will find our path as a people is if we walk with the Bible under the arm, And the thing of Christianity is, and that's something that people throw around, I think, to mix God and man is a bad idea, because if you check like the majority of people that associate themselves as being Christians, cheat in their marriages and get divorced and lie and steal and kill and, So if you do it correctly and love correctly, then you turn the other cheek, That's a weakness. So Old Testament is better. So they don't think about like tomorrow. So the easy solution would be, to stay in your little bucket where you can just scoop and scoop and scoop and go to restaurants and have 50,000 rand. I saw it with my own eyes of people that I had lunch with people, and I used to work a lot for the government. And to have a 50,000 rand shot whiskey, while everybody is, starving, like. But then you take their side still, because at the base level, like it, and you can't blame them, Like where I was now, like if you look on farms, like they have tractors that cost 10 million rand or whatever, but the workers stay like they're in this little ramshackle. And how can you blame them, If somebody is like a legit part of what makes you survive and what makes you succeed, because if you sit at home, that person that goes and like do your work for you, is valuable, like if they know what they are doing. And do you really need to drive a 3 million rand Toyota Cruiser or whatever, So to have a heart, like even if it's there for the breaking, but to have a heart and to love, and the whole concept of to love your neighbor, and all of that. And forgiveness, to forgive and go on, let the past be the past, No repeats. And I have to find my friend back and hear if she wants to adopt my mom's cat, maybe. But rather to love and have your heart broken, It's always worth it. Always have hope,